Any of this going on today? Any of this going on? It's okay. We are going to address it. This is doTERRA's BOGO Day 2. This is the official first single buy one, get two free today. Today, when you purchase the Deep Blue Soothing Blend, the 5 milliliter Deep Blue, then you also get a free bottle of Cypress and 15 milliliter and 15 milliliter bottle of Lemongrass. And this little trio here is a great combination when you're dealing with any of those things I just screenshot to you. So don't worry, we're going to dive in a little bit deeper with that. For those of you who are members, it's a $33 order. For non-members, it's $44. Let's just be honest. Friends don't let friends buy retail prices. So I will also give you guys some information on how you can tack this on if you are a new member or if you have friends who are dealing with some of these, then you'll be able to help them as well. Yes, yes. Now, the BOGO box did not sell out yesterday, so it is actually still available. And if you didn't catch my video yesterday that shared all about what is in the BOGO box, don't worry, you'll actually still be able to access that information. If you go to go.3lifeessentials.com/BOGO week, you will be able to see all of that content. You'll be able to click on the BOGO box, see what everything is in there. And ordering the BOGO box actually gets you a free bottle of tea tree, which does not come any other way this week. So yes, if you want your own BOGO ebook, just drop the word ebook below or shoot me a text, and I will make sure that you get that at the end of the week so that you know how to use everything and you have it on hand. So yes, and if you decide to get the BOGO box, many people do, because it saves on shipping. You actually get all the oils and you don't miss out on one of the day's BOGOs. You get that bonus oil for free. And if you're new to doTERRA, doTERRA actually waives the membership fee for you so that you can actually get that as a membership order. So yes, so all the good things. So Deep Blue, we talked about this a little bit yesterday. It has your wintergreen, your camphor, your peppermint, your ylang-ylang, your helichrysum, and your blue tansy, blue chamomile, and osmanthus. There is a reason that this is one of doTERRA's top selling blends, because it's your soothing blend when you have worked out, when you haven't worked out in a while, or like I mentioned yesterday, when you've played Wii too much with your kids playing baseball and you have that aching joint. This is great to use with that. And actually, let me see if I can pull up here for you. And don't worry, if you go to that link, the BOGO week link, go.3lifeessentials.com/BOGO week, you will have all of this as well. But look at all these uses for your Deep Blue. So massaging it into those sore hands and fingers. You can even diffuse it. It's not something I have done before, but you can. And so let's talk about using... let's dive in, because I know many of you already know the amazing benefits for joint support, muscles, aches, and pains with your Deep Blue Soothing Blend. Let's talk about how Cypress and Lemongrass come into play here. Okay, so now you guys know how much I enjoy talking about sourcing and the science behind the oils. And so let me pull up just a little bit about our Cypress here. So doTERRA actually sources their cypress from a couple of different locations, but you're going to use this oil aromatically and topically. And they source it from Morocco, Spain, and Kenya. And actually, let me make this a little bit bigger for you so that you can see that. Actually, it's not much bigger, is it? Maybe you can even screenshot that because you can see here some other oils that it blends well with. But let's move over to some ways that you can use Cypress, because the chemistry of Cypress makes it really great for circulation issues. If you're dealing with any kind of heart or cardiovascular blood issues, circulation to different extremities. So this is really great to add after a workout, applying to your legs and feet. You can see how this may play into using with your deep blue as well. Great for oily skin. So you can add this to your skincare routine. You can add it to your toner. Since this is a tree, think about your tree oils are very grounding. So you can use this maybe in a relaxing bath to really calm you. And emotionally, this oil is very powerful as well, especially if you're feeling kind of stagnant or feeling like an emotional block. Now, be aware that when you use this oil like aromatically or smelling it from the bottle and you're using it in several days in a row, just know this is the oil of flow. So it is going to let the emotions flow. So I just want to tell you so that you're prepared, because whatever it could be built up in there, if it's anger, if it's sadness, fear, that will be released. It's not hooey. It's just the way the oils and your body has been designed to work. So that is how you're going to bring in your cypress oil. Okay. Now let's talk about your lemongrass. How many of you love lemongrass? How many of you love using your lemongrass? Yes. It is so purifying. It's really invigorating, and it's very regenerating to the body and to the mind. Now, let me see if I can pull up again doTERRA's sourcing with this, because doTERRA sources this from all over the southern parts of India, where it grows natively and rampantly. And because of the high levels of rainfall too, it also grows really well. And so this particular oil, you're going to be glad you're having this when you're wanting to get any kind of soft tissue support. Ligaments, think of your ligaments, think of aches and pains. This is actually what I use in my pain balm, along with copaiba, frankincense, marjoram, and copaiba, frankincense, and marjoram. And so this is one that you're going to want to have on hand when you're dealing with those kinds of things. And again, you can see how this kind of plays into using it with your deep blue and or your cypress. So let me show you here. Lemongrass also, you're going to use this to really discourage insects. If you guys have grabbed the brand new Terra Shield that's reformulated repellent, it is high in lemongrass. In fact, I think it might be the highest besides citronella. So this is really good at fending off insects. Now, I will say it fends off insects except for bees. Bees actually enjoy lemongrass, which is another thing that you can actually do if you're if you're a beekeeper and you're wanting to bring on the bees. This is what you're going to want to use. But you can use this also with your cedar wood over your abdomen to support your urinary tract system. In fact, I have a couple of stories to share with you about that. You can combine it after a hard workout. And you can see there are some other ways that you can use it as well. I personally, let me see if I can find it here. I'm going to share with you some of these stories here as you look at the different issues here that we're dealing with this combination here. I want you to be thinking of, who do you know that could benefit from some support in these areas. So I want you to think of someone, and I want to share with you. Someone said they had a positive test for a bladder issue that they were dealing with. They used lemongrass on their stomach, drank it in their tea for 3 days, and it was gone. Someone else was sharing about the flies were driving her crazy on the porch. And so she put some on her lower legs and arms, and they left her alone. So I love some of those stories about lemongrass. And I shared with you that I have used it personally many times for pain support. In fact, we have totally avoided pain meds multiple times by using that combo. So I want you to think about who do you know that could benefit from this by getting those 2 oils for free. And again, if you're wondering how to BOGO, if you go to go.3lifeessentials.com/BOGO week, there will be a link there for you to check out. You'll also be able to find out exactly how to BOGO. If you have any questions at all, just text me the word oils. In fact, just text me at this number, 832-509-5093. There will not be a bot answering you. It will be me answering you. But if you text me the word oils, I'll know what you're wanting to talk about and that you have questions about. So happy BOGOing to you. Again, the BOGO box is available. So still available. So for new members, or if you or someone you know could benefit from using those today, the new members can save $148. And actually, you can too. As a member, you can purchase these as well. But you can get started, or you can help a friend get started using those BOGO box. And we know at least what 2 of those free oils are right there. They also get 50 free doTERRA dollars to spend in the future. They'll get 12 months of wholesale pricing. That's 25% off. They'll get monthly deals, and they get support and education from me. Now, again, if you are a wellness advocate or you already have a wellness advocate that you're working with, please reach out to them so that they can help you get this today. Okay? Thank you guys so much for joining me. We'll see you tomorrow for a new surprise. Bye.